Hi, welcome. Now I'm going to show you how the function INT works. Okay, integer works. Okay, the function integer, we usually think that it will give the integer part of a number. It is true, but there is a tricky part in it. We must be very careful about that. Okay, I just enter INT. Okay, you can see here the description of the int function is not at all telling it's a integer part. It tells rounds a number down to the nearest integer, down to the nearest integer. It is not actually the integer of the number. Okay, it's down to the nearest integer. So what does it mean? Okay, if we do the 55.8, it is 55 as well as the integer part is 55, so it's very fine. I go for a int of the number 34.2 34. Okay, it's very fine, but when you go to the negative number you will see the difference. Okay, now you see it is not minus 45, it is not the integer part of the number, it is actually a minus 46. So it is more negative. Why it comes more negative? Because it goes to the down to the nearest integer. Okay, so 55.8, if you go down, what is the nearest integer? 55. 34.2, if you go down, what is the nearest integer? 34. But when you have a minus 45.9, if you go down to the nearest integer, it is not minus 45, it is minus 46. That's why it is coming here. So when you use the integer function for to get the integer part of a number, it will work fine for the positive numbers, but negative numbers it is minus 46. It goes to the lowest the next to lowest integer, which is minus 46. Okay, similarly for this minus 0.2 8.2, you get a minus 9 instead of minus 8. Okay, so it is not an integer function, it is the go down to the nearest integer function. 0.07, it's very fine, whereas the minus 0.07, it's minus 1, because the lowest integer is minus 1. Okay, hope this video helps you to find out the difference between the positive and negative numbers as argument in the integer function int. And you must be very careful on negative numbers. It may not give you the integer part of the number, instead it will give you the lowest integer. And you can change your formulas or use the function appropriately according to that. Okay, hope this video is helpful to you, and see you on the next video. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye.